today let's start with chapter number 6, Introduction to HTML and CS5 3. Now let's study about HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. So we can say that it is used to create web pages utilizing markup language. It is an abbreviation is Hypertext Markup Language. It links between web pages, which is defined by hypertext. To define the text document within the tag that specify the structure of web pages, a markup language is employed. और जो language है इसका हम use करते हैं as a anti-node that creates nodes over the computer text and it can be understood and manipulated by machine. Majority of markup languages are human readable and it is markup language that browser use to alter pictures and other content. ठीक है, ये क्या करता है, pictures को alter करता है, different content को alter करता है. And hypertext is the method by which you move around on the web by clicking on the special text. इसको आप hyperlinks कहते हैं. So markup is what HTML text do to the text inside then, and the markup it as a certain type of text for the exam. Now why should you use HTML? If you want to work on the web development, first language you should learn is HTML. So HTML markup is the lightweight and for fast to load and it will receive HTML CSS response. HTML5 is recently added additional tags and features to help with the creation or प्रोफेशनल लुकिंग ऑफ द वेब पेज. जैसे आपका HTML1 आया था 1993 में, 2 आया 1995 में, 3 1997, फिर 1998, 2012 एंड 2014. These are the release year of the file system. What are the uses? Simple to use and learn, independent for platform, a web page include इसमें ऑडियो वीडियो इमेजेस सब होती हैं. टेक्स्ट में इंक्लूड हाइपरटेक्स्ट, लैंग्वेज यूजेस मार्क. What are the advantages? Websites are created with HTML. जितने भी ब्राउजर है दे आर कम्पिटेंट विद इट कैन कंबाइन विदाउट लैंग्वेज, ये बिना किसी दूसरे लैंग्वेज के हम इसको क्या करते हैं, कंबाइन करते हैं. डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है? वेब पेजेस क्रिएटेड विद HTML that can only be static and the use of other languages required for the dynamic website. To make simple web page, lot of code must be written. It is poor secure, इसके poor security feature होता है. Right? Next is HTML editor. We can use the text editor so that you can create an HTML document, and text editors are the program that allow editing in our written text. Hence, we can say that when we create web page, we need to write our code in some text editor. Now, Notepad, simple text editor, easy to learn, and it is available in all version of Windows from where you use easily and access. Sublime Text 3, free and also offers cross-platform support. Notepad भी प्रोग्राम जिससे आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, डिफरेंट फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. कोमोडो एडिट फ्री टू डाउनलोड है, सिंपल है एंड ओपन सोर्स राइटर है जिसमें आपको वैरायटी ऑफ वर्जन देखने को मिलेगी. Tags and attributes. HTML employ predefined tags that instruct a browser on how to display material correctly. Do not forget to include close tag. In this tag, it is not present. The browser will apply the effect of the opening tag until the end of it. Now we can say types of tag. We have container tag जिसमें आपका ओपनिंग टैग क्लोजिंग टैग दोनों होता है. इसको हम कंपेनियन टैग भी कहते हैं. एंड इट स्टार्ट्स विद द ओपनिंग टैग नेम इनक्लोज इनसाइड द एंगल ब्रैकेट एंड द पैराग्राफ ऑफ ओपनिंग टैग इज रिटन एज ओपन ब्रैकेट पी क्लोज ब्रैकेट. एम्प्टी टैग इज व्हेन द टैग हैज ओनली, जिसमें खाली ओपनिंग टैग होता है, क्लोजिंग टैग नहीं होता है, उसको हम एम्प्टी टैग कहते हैं. HTML एट्रीब्यूट क्या होते हैं? जिसमें आपके एडिशनल पीसेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन होते हैं, in which value added to the opening tag of an element conflict with the elements or change the element by default. Right? Next is rules. Container tags should always be closed properly. आपको उसको करना है properly closed करता है. Right? Now values in the attribute should be enclosed within the double quotes. Tag name should not contain spaces. Tag names में किसी भी तरीके के spaces नहीं होने चाहिए. So HTML5 document structure. So we can say that it has a standard structure. Basic structure tag जो है वो आपके HTML head 4 sets of होता है. HTML tag इनको basic structure कहते हैं, right? HTML/head title body. So we have opening document type HTML, a doc type that is known as document type declaration, which is a directive that inform web browser to markup language to create current page. It is basically defined document as a web page. It also identify beginning and end. इसमें क्या होता है, हम क्या identify करते हैं, beginning and end of the HTML document, right? Next is head. Header contain information about the document that will not appear on the actual page, जैसा आपका title हो गया document का. And author. Title tag define title that will appear in the title bar, and the title must appear between the headers. Right? Then we have body tag. Next is creating and saving an HTML document. So you have to open Notepad program, write HTML code, click on the file save option. Save as dialog box appear. You will select the folder your choice and save your document. Now click on the save button, your HTML document will save. Next is viewing an HTML document. You have created and viewed any web browser such as Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Opera. To view HTML document, you will double click on the created icon. और आप किसको view करोगे? HTML document. Next is introducing CSS3. CS क्या है? Cascading Style Sheet. It is a style sheet language used to control presentation and layout of the web pages, which is written in HTML. So CSS3 latest version है, and it brings a wide range of styling option, and it works by selecting HTML elements and applying styles to them. और वहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? Styles को भी apply कर सकते हो. In this example, we use code style element to define CSS rule. These rule target H1 and P elements, जिससे वो उसका color, size और margins को क्या करते हैं? Specify के. Now using CSS style. For that, we use three-way inline style applied directly to individual HTML elements using the style attribute. So in this body color blue font size, this inline shape cross क्या है? It quick to apply and override easily. Cross, it makes the HTML code less maintainable and harder to manage. Internal style मतलब जो embedded style होता है. Internal style defined with style element and section of HTML. They apply to all element on the specific page. Next is pros, cons. Pros क्या है? ये separate होता है HTML making और ये more maintainable होता है. They apply only current HTML document. Cons. Only to the current HTML document you need to duplicate the style. आप multi pages को क्या करोगे? Duplicate करोगे. Now external style क्या होता है? External style are defined in separate CS file which is linked to HTML document. Right? These styles can be reused across multiple web. इनको आप reuse कर सकते हो by the multiple web page. Right? Now we have external style which promotes code reusability and maintainable. An additional HTTP request is made to load an external CSS file, which may slightly slow down the page loading. Now editing an existing HTML document. अगर आपको edit करना, you will find your file. Right click on the file icon, mouse pointer over the open with option, open submenu, and you will click on Notepad. Right? The HTML file will open and make the necessary changes and then save the file to view the changes. And if the file is already open, press F5 to see the changes. आप F5 को click करोगे जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो? Changes save कर सकते हो changes. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.